Smell Information DX, targeted control of unpleasant smells. We estimate about 300 kinds of molecules that are perceived as bad smells exist around us. These include 22 malodorous substances listed in the Offensive Odor Control Act. At Komihako, we created a breakthrough technology that measures and quantifies smell. Using this technology, we are screening for molecules that specifically mask strong odors and developing deodorizers to target only the unpleasant odors. Targeted odor control consists of 4 steps. Phase 0. Collecting malodor molecules. In Phase 0, we determine the condition to capture odor molecules from various malodor-producing conditions. This makes it possible to collect malodor for our human olfactory sensor-based quantification system. Phase 1. Identifying human olfactory receptors which perceive bad smell. In Phase 1, we analyze the odor molecules in our quantification system. We have developed a quantification method with human olfactory sensor mimetic cells in which covers all 388 olfactory receptors. When we expose bad odorant molecules to the sensor cells, the receptor-expressing cells which respond to the molecule emit fluorescence. Together with our database of malodors, we identify the receptors which respond to unpleasant odors. By repressing these receptor responses in human, you would not perceive and respond to the malodor. Phase 2. Screening for odor-masking molecules. In Phase 2, we are screening molecules which repress malodor-responsive receptors. We culture olfactory sensor cells expressing olfactory receptors which respond target malodors on 96 or 384 microwell plates. We mix malodorous and candidate molecules, then add them to the olfactory sensor cells. At Komihako, we have a high-throughput screening robotic workstation to simultaneously monitor maximum to 384 kinds of deodorizer molecules. This enables us to complete a deodorizer screening which used to take several months in a few days. Phase 3. Test deodorizing effects as product formulation. In Phase 3, we identify candidate molecules which show efficient odor masking effect by themselves. However, to develop a commercial product as a deodorizer, odor masking molecules need to maintain their effects in presence of the other molecules that may be in the client's products. With our clients, our company is mixing candidate molecules and components of the client's product formulation to develop the best combinations for the finished products. This is how we develop a cutting-edge product, a targeted deodorizer that masks only malodor while the smell of product itself does not change. At this time, we only talked about deodorizer, but this development strategy can be applied to other areas where regulating smell is important. One example is to develop products to mask off flavor in foods.